Perimenopause is a phase in life where our hormonal landscape is changing. And I've learned this term here on YouTube recently, and I really love that term because it really implies that it's not just one or two hormones that are changing for us. It's a whole landscape. It's a whole composition of different variables that are changing for us, and that comes with a whole lot of symptoms or a whole lot of feeling states, anxiety, and it also comes with less of an ability to manage stress the way we used to. So I'm learning myself about this as I go along, and I'm learning that because those hormonal compositions are changing, that our body is less able to deal with stress. That's because there's fluctuations of those different hormones as we're going through this phase. And so what I'm suggesting on this channel is that we're really tuning into our body and sensing into our body to help us relax and help us enter that parasympathetic nervous system state more often and return to that state more often, because it is so much more difficult for us in this phase of life to actually maintain that state. So I would strongly encourage you to try some of those videos that I offer on here, some of those movement sequences that really help you tune into your body, that help you enter that parasympathetic nervous system state. It takes just a few minutes, but it also helps you really learn about your body. So it's not just about coming back here all the time doing those sequences, but taking away what you learn here. Also checking out that free reflection tool that I have in the description box of this video, so that helps you really reflect on what you experience in your body and what you may need to do for yourself, and really taking that away and then applying it in every moment of your life that you remember to apply it to, because this will make it so much easier for us to get through the day, to not end up so exhausted, but to actually maintain a sense of calm, a sense of groundedness, and that sort of sense of sanity that we all are looking to keeping in this rushing day and age. So for those who don't know me and for those who are new to this channel, welcome. It's so lovely to have you here. And I'm Katerina. I'm a registered clinical counselor and a registered dance movement therapist. I live in beautiful Australia, right by the beach. And I would just love you to try a few things here on this channel, see how you go. And I would love for you to leave a comment below to let me know how you went, to see what you would like to see more of or what you'd like to learn more about. And I'd just love to hear from you. So I'll see you soon.